So some of the challenges that we are faced with are expanding our businesses across the world.
Our headquarters is here in Foxborough. We have offices all throughout the world. Anywhere there's an opportunity to do business, we have some sort of representation.
The biggest issue we were trying to solve is how do we handle more business, handle new customers, without having to exponentially expand our staff at the same time. We were having conversations with Xerox where they introduced us to the managed services.
We showed the Xerox team. They came to our office to see here's how our process flows work.
So we were able to right off the bat see that this was going to be an effective solution. All of the fields associated with an order weren't necessarily being completed by our data entry operators. It was limiting our ability to run reports, to create dashboards, because we had missing data fields. What we found with the RPA tool is that the bot doesn't know whether or not I need a field today. It's just completing everything. And our data integrity went immediately up to 95%. We probably cut our data entry in this process by 75%.
Xerox wanted to learn our environment. They were going to come in, gain access to our environment. They were going to do all the setup process needed to do. That was very attractive to us.
It was very easy for us to look at what the ROI would be with putting this solution in.
When we acquire new business, we like to know, okay, here's how much capacity we think the bot can handle and what that will do for us. Because the goal of this is never to remove headcount, it's just to make our current headcount more efficient once we do get new business, to make sure that we're prepared and able to service it.
I would say the biggest surprise we had with working with Xerox was the depth of knowledge that the team had and really dug in to what they needed to do to program the bots, not based on how Xerox works, but how our business works. Our orders are getting processed faster, which means that the customers are able to see the status of their orders faster. So it's a more positive experience from that perspective.
Other contacts at other craft group companies have reached out to me just asking about our experiences. So I think there's definitely a lot of other opportunity at the other craft group companies.